Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can modify the opacity of images in Photopea. So let's get right into it. Now you can select and modify the opacity for any layer you would like. As you can see, currently I have only one layer, which is the background layer. And if I click on that, you will see above the layer sort of select, you will see the opacity icon. Now you can click on the arrow and modify it using a slider. 0 is of course fully transparent. 100% is fully opaque, and you can set it into any value in between. You can set it manually as well. Let's say I want it at 99%, which is basically no difference, or 95.5, or it'll round it up to 96 and it is just barely transparent. And that is pretty much it. However, you can also add, go to layer and go and create a new fill layer with a color fill. And let's say I want to create red. Of course, the color fill will be at the very top of the list. If I send it down, it'll be below. If I send it up, it'll be above or in front of the image. And if I select the opacity and put it into, I don't know, like 35, as you can see, it is mostly transparent and the background is visible. However, the colors merge to create this sort of brown color as the image. And that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.